Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So the tips that I'm about to share are things that I've learned over 9 years being on YouTube. Now, a lot of African YouTubers actually suffer. They're unable to get to their goals, or they're just stuck in one place. Not because the algorithm is not pushing them as much as they're pushing other countries, but it's either because of the things that they're doing or they're not doing. Now, the way YouTube pushes new channel and channels with subscribers are quite different. If you just started your YouTube channel, YouTube is going to show your video to. So one very important thing on YouTube that is oftentimes overlooked is click-through rate. So click-through rate is like, maybe YouTube shows your video to like 50 people and then 40 people are actually clicking on it to watch it. This is something very important that a lot of people don't know. They are most times focused on views, watch hours and other things, but your click-through rate is very important. So you want to make sure that when YouTube is showing your video on the home page a certain amount of time, you want at least 70 to 80% of people clicking on that video, and that's where your thumbnail, your title and thumbnail comes in, right? So now here are some mistakes that mostly YouTubers make. Now, because the channel has 1 million subscribers does not mean that they know what they're doing, right? I know that it might not make sense to you, but the truth is that even people who have a large subscriber and audience might be selling you BS, and they're actually getting their views based off of on that BS because they're telling you things that you want to hear, which is not true. So most times you can actually learn from even people with 10 subscribers. Don't be small-minded, right? Don't think that you can only learn from people who have 1,000 subscribers and more. There are people who have not so much subscribers, but they have good information that can help you in whatever aspect that you are looking for. Now, a lot of African YouTubers, they already create a channel with the mindset of being monetized in 7 days, mostly because of some of the videos that they watch, because there are a lot of videos out there that talk about how I got monetized in 10 days, how I got 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. So they already have that mindset coming into YouTube, like, oh, I need to get my subscribers quickly. So if I don't get my 1,000 subscribers in this specific amount of time, then I am not doing good and my channel is not going to have any potentials, which is totally wrong. You need to be patient. There are people who would blow up quickly, but the truth is that not everybody will blow up quickly that way. There are people who, you know, in their first year of doing YouTube, they have low views, they have few subscribers, but after a year, you know, their YouTube will just skyrocket and, you know, you see them having millions of views and billions of subscribers. You need to be patient, and that's one thing that most Africans don't have. You already come into YouTube with that mentality that, oh, I must be monetized in 2 months, if not, what I'm doing is not good enough, and that is very wrong. And another thing is that most new YouTubers, especially Africans, they don't research. You want to do a video, you want to make a video, you're not researching on that topic, right? You know everything that's one, because a subscriber has because a person's video has 1 million views, you're not doing your research. Anything that the person says, I've told you guys in one of my videos to have selective hearing, right? It's not everything that somebody says that you believe. Do your own research. Research. This is what the difference between Africans YouTubers and other countries. We are not open to researching. We're not open to learning new things. If you're posting a video today, the video you're posting tomorrow should be better than the one you posted today. You're either getting better with your editing, your scripting. Get better at something, right? If you're not putting in the work, you're not going to grow. You want a fast growth, but you're not putting in the work. You want to get monetized quickly, but you're posting once in 2 months. You have to at least post once in a week if you want to grow, right? You have to make sure that you're consistent. Like I said, in one of my videos, consistency means a lot, different things to different people. It can be once in a week, it can be twice in a week, right? But be consistent. Think long term. Stop thinking short term. Put out good content. Think long term. At least post 100 videos before you conclude that your channel is not doing well. Patience. And then let's talk about the right time to post. So if you're a new channel, it doesn't matter, right? Because you don't have that large subscriber base to be able to know the time, the peak of when your subscribers are online. So it really doesn't matter what time you have to post. After you've gathered your subscribers, that is when you can now figure out what the right time is to post. Now you don't have an audience, so there is no right time to post. It doesn't matter. Now the way YouTube pushes new channel and channels with subscribers are quite different. If you just started your YouTube channel, YouTube is going to show your video to a certain amount of people that they think are interested in that sort of content. That is why you need to be optimizing your videos. I have videos on how to optimize your videos. You can watch it. You need to do your parts, and YouTube will also do their part. So make sure you're optimizing your videos so that YouTube is able to show it to the right audience. And now that audience that they've shown it to, that audience needs to watch your videos. YouTube needs to see that these people are interested. When YouTube see that people are interested, they will show more people. But for channels that already have subscribers, YouTube is going to use your subscribers as the experiment, right? Your subscribers need to watch before they show new people. So you see how it works differently for new channels and channels with subscribers. And now, like I said, you have to be patient. Give yourself time to grow. I've seen YouTubers that have millions of subscribers, but when they started in their first year, they had maybe very few views, 0 to 30 views or even less. So give yourself time and be patient. Honestly, I hope this video was helpful. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, make sure that you watch my other videos because I have a lot of tips on how you can grow. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and click on the like button and turn on your post notification for other videos that I'll be posting, because these videos will be able to help you, grow your channel.